Hey everybody, today I want to share the result I'm learning from third pack, the course. This third pack academy provides a lot of lessons and courses. So let me introduce my results of learning this course. So let's start. The first part is that introduction to the importance of and the fundamental principles of prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is about taking a prompt you have written and improving it to get more reliable, higher quality outputs. This process involves iterative refinement, starting with a basic prompt, evaluating its performance, then systematically applying engineering techniques to improve it. And the table below that explain the words. You can first make a simple prompt into LM, and then as for getting more and more good results, you must practice and evolve your prompts. For example, let me show the example. For example, I want to get achieve study plan for learning Python, and put it into Gemini, and Gemini gave the answers, and the answer set phrase 1, 2, and 3, and I teach you how to learn Python, and it gives some important suggestions like learning NumPy, Pandas, and Seaborn. So if you think the results is not enough, so you can train it. You can train it, and how we will learn prompt engineering, and that means how we train the prompt. So here is the workflow. The first thing is set a goal, write an initial prompt, then evolve the prompt, and the core thing is that repeat, and repeat what? Apply prompt engineering technique and re-evolve to verify better performance. So the final is that you can get much more better performance prompt. And so this is the first thing. What is prompt engineering? Okay, let's start the second part. What are the standards for good prompt? Be simple. This is one thing to describe the standard for good prompt. Just be clear and direct. Sometimes when we first craft the crucial first line, we must focus on the principle, clear and direct. And so what is clear and what is direct? Being clear means that use a simple language that anyone can understand, such as the example that I provide. I want to achieve a study plan for learning Python, so I just put it into the chatbot and the Gemini, and will give me the answer. You can use ChatGPT and Claude and so on. And this is the clear. And beside that, clear also means state exactly what you want without beating around the bush, and live with a straightforward statement of clause task. And what the direct means, it means focus on how structure your request. It means use instructions, no questions. For example, because I want to learn Chinese or learn another language. I just say that I want to learn something, not can you help me learn something? Yeah, this is the example. We can use instruction, not questions. And we also can start with the direct action verbs like write, create, and generate. Okay, after being instructing the principal prompt, let's see the second part. Basic prompt usage and creating structured prompts using ChatML tags. And the first question is why using ChatML to format prompts? You know, we can also use Markdown to write my prompts easily. And did you hear ChatML language is the structured language? So as for this feature, so we can use ChatML to format our prompts. When you, for example, we are being prompts that include a lot of content, the LM model, such as Claude, ChatGPT can sometimes struggle to understand which pieces of text belong together or what different sections are supposed to represent. So using ChatML tag, we can structure the content and tell the LM model which part is doing what. So, for example, consider a prompt where you need to analyze 20 pages of sales records. So, it is difficult sometimes for model to analyze the results of your lots of content. So, using ChatML text, we can structure the content. Most useful when including a lot of content and help serve as delimiters for Claude. This is example is, for example, we can put our codes, our Python codes using my code tag, and the explanation using docs tag. So putting this structure channel information, the language model can understand which function on every section. So it is easily for LM can understand and give me more easy and useful results. Okay, let's start the third part. After introducing two parts, let's start the last part, setting up the prompt evaluation workflow. And the question is how to create the workflow to evaluate a prompt. A typical prompt evaluation workflow follows five key steps that help you systematically improve your prompts through object measurement. And while there are many different ways to assemble these workflows and various open source and paid tools available, understanding the core process helps you start small and scale up as needed. You can see this picture. First, we draft a prompt, then create an eval dataset and feed through Claude. The important step is feeding through a grader. The grader is also a model, and the process is change prompt and repeat. Improve the score's performance. So we can see the first step, initial prompt draft. The picture shows that we can define the constant prompt equals please answer the user questions, and below the question is a variable question, and we eval the dataset. We have lots of questions and set a list. and then we boost the question through Claude, and the Claude will give the answer each by each, and we can throw a grader to test the score, and each question can throw a grader and get the final score, such as the first is 10, the second is 4, and the third is 9, and we can get the average score is 7.66, and through the workflow we can get we can make the prompts perform well, and final we can get the eval workflow. So this is the key points of this course, and let me show the course. First we can the Python code minpy. Besides that, I have also some resources. Use Genapter, IPy notebook. But this lesson I will introduce the Python codes. So in the minpy file, we can write Python because the Google Cloud Vertex Anthropic Cloud Sonnet 4.5 is not supporting this region, so I use OpenRouter, but I just use the same model called Sonnet 4.5, and we can see the function definition. This is format response. So we can say because I set up API key and using OpenRouter HTTP endpoint, so you can also your provider and set the same function. It is easy to use OpenRouter. Just send make post HTTP request and find out the response from the LM model, and this is the stand API call, and you can also use XAML. XAML input and the final will answer through XAML format function, and this minpy shows the two functions, and evaluator is also the important core of this course. So let's run the file prompt evaluator. I have 3 tasks. The core thing is that I set up a grader. The grader is also LM model. From top, you can see the task array ID T0001 and T002 and T003. This is the 3 tasks, and the prompt template I create a constant called prompt template, and grade. The core function is grade syntax, and the grade syntax just using the grade model. The grade model is Claude 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and you can define your own model. This is grade model Anthropic Cloud Opus 4.1 because it is thinking model, and exact prompt model is Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.5 because it's fast. So it's easy to write this Python, and you can use cursor or even download the codes from, and I will put this codes into the video so you can download it and run your local.